Hello lovely souls and welcome back to my channel the Hierophant 111, and now we are going to be doing a reading on Gemini, and let's see what's going to happen for you in the first week of December in the matters of love. So let's move on guys and let's see what's coming up for you. But do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys, the Hierophant 111. Okay guys, I see the Magician over here, the Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. New stable beginnings coming up guys for you. If y'all were very tired, exhausted and heartbroken, feeling backstabbed, then you are turning up to become the Magician, having all the balls in your court. Okay guys, maybe y'all are becoming the provider for your family. Y'all have got the career y'all desired and y'all are working on your career, but y'all are mind stuck guys. I see something is blocking your mind, and y'all are very worried about it. The Hermit, I see you being more introvert, not talking to more people, but in the first week of December again I'm seeing you taking a stand for what you believe in, doing what you like, and choosing what talents you have, looking up to yourself, searching for what you can do the best, and this is going to make you more attractive and cause your person to come to you in full speed. Okay, like we could say around a month or so. Okay, so this is what is coming to me. Like by the end of December you might see your person coming closer to you. This is what I'm getting over here guys for y'all. Let's see messages from your person, Gemini. When you do your own thing, I feel you're hot and sexy. What more clear confirmation do you want guys? This is the best message ever for you, and I want to see the world with you. I want to dance with you in the streets of Paris. So your person really likes you a lot. They have future plans with you. I wish this connection was not so complicated. I wish we could be like other couples. So yes guys, your person also wishes that this was not so complicated. Each time I see your photo I want to kiss your lips. So this is coming up for you guys as well, and I am sorry for hurting you. Let me make it up to you. So your person wants to make this up to you. They have hurt you and that's why you are stuck. You do feel backstabbed. This is coming really clearly over here. So it's great guys, they will come up and come to you and make up for everything that they have done. Let's check up the charms guys. Let's see what's coming up in the charms for you guys. Okay, many alphabets and a very few charms. Let's see. H, C, T, G, okay, I, V. These are the initials in your or your person's name guys. P, E and K. So this is coming up for you guys, and let's see. I think this person was wearing a mask with you. They were hiding things from you. They were not telling you the truth. They were keeping you in limbo, and now I see over here that they do miss you a lot. Maybe you all had some videos together, clips together, and they keep on watching them, or photos together. They keep on watching them. Again a flower they are hiding. This deck has I have made it in such a way that a person is hiding their flowers behind. So they are hiding their feelings behind. So yes, they do want to come to you with a flower. Y'all are destined to be together guys. Do not lose patience, and also guys, you hold the key to their heart. So I hope guys you liked this reading, and we'll meet you soon again. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Till then, bye.